In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily create a savings plan to dollar cost average into crypto on KuCoin. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on KuCoin, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can pick up to $700 in sign-up bonuses. To create an account and claim your reward, simply enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here. Let's directly start off by creating a savings plan. You simply have to go up here to buy crypto and click on fast trade. Then you will get to this page and you can go up here to recurring buy. If you want to do so, you can immediately enter a payment method up here by clicking on here, clicking on add card and entering your credit or debit card details. So you've added your card as a payment method. Once you're done with that, you can go back here to recurring buy, choose your fiat currency that you want to pay with, for example, US dollar, or of course you can also choose, for example, euro. Type in the amount, let's say I want to invest 100 euro, choose the coin that you want to buy. In this case, I'm just gonna search for BTC, Bitcoin right here. Choose the frequency, so you can select between daily, weekly, every 2 weeks, or monthly. In this case, I'm gonna choose weekly, always Mondays at, let's say 10 o'clock, click on confirm. So I've set that all up, and then all I have to do is click on create plan right here, and that's already it. To check your orders that have happened, you can always check them by going up here to my orders and then going to recurring buy, and you will see all of your orders that will happen over time right here. Of course, the crypto will always be added to your account. You can always check that by going up here to assets. You can see it also in here. Just go to your funding account, and then here you will see your crypto balances. Don't forget to create an account on KuCoin by using the link down from the video description to get up to $700 in sign-up bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.